that it is a different background, I did move so that I can have some audio for the slime. So let's get started. This slime is extremely thick, so when I poke it, there's not that much noise. But for this one, it's really nice. I did make this one like a month or so ago. It's very glossy and thick. Alright, so now, what I am meant to do, or what I want to do, is to mix these two slimes together. So this is a plus for this slime because it's not the best slime ever, but it's not such a plus for this one because the slime is very nice. But I was just looking for a white slime and I came across this one. Alright, so let's start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this and then go like this. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's like, since this feels like clay and this feels like regular slime, it seems like I'm mixing clay and white slime. I'm gonna make a swirl. Alright. We're going to barely mix it and make it into a swirl. There we go, a nice little cute swirl. Not the best swirl because I didn't really want to mix them. All right, now let's mix them. It's gonna make like a pastel baby blue color, and I really like pastel colors. Now the slime is very stretchy because the blue slime was pretty thick and the white slime was super soft. I might do a makeover on this. I doubt it though, because this slime is honestly very nice. And also that light blue slime, I made it with Tacky Glue, Elmer's Jot glue, all those different kinds of glues, and so it became really thick and a weird texture. So that's kind of weird. And also yesterday, video, but I made slime out of Tacky Glue. This is what it turned out as. It's very like chalky and very thick and stretchy and very glossy. I mean, like, it's okay, but it's Tacky Glue and it's not the best. And I ran out of Elmer's glue, and Elmer's glue is probably the best glue I can use. So yeah. So here is the slime after. It's honestly better from when I made it before, even though this isn't a makeover video, but well, whatever. feels very soft, but it's not the best texture because it has all these different kinds of glues in it. And that one white slime had like glow-in-the-dark glue, Amazon Basics glue. It was like a weird variety of glues in this slime. But at least it made a slime, so that's a plus.